How to access CapCut Space on mobile device. Let's get started. First, launch your CapCut app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. If not, you will need to log in first. Once you do that, head over to the edit page. Now over here, you're going to find the option space. Click on it. Now go ahead and click on this plus icon. You're going to get two options, create space and join space. Subscription is needed to create a space. No restrictions on joining one. So I have created my own CapCut Space. Think of CapCut Space as your personal cloud-based creative studio. It's not just storage, it's where your videos, images, and projects live, breathe, and evolve. Whether you are on phone, tablet, or desktop, your work is always within reach. If you want to add any project to your space, what you have to do is click on three dots, select the option Upload to Space, click on Upload. Likewise, if you want to remove any of the project from this space, all you have to do is press and hold on it, select Delete, click on Move. That's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily access CapCut Space on mobile device. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.